Hi friends, welcome everyone to my channel. It's Yulia here with you, and today I'm doing I hope you guess already an actress and character from a film, but anyway, if no, I recreating a Grace Kelly outfit, Grace Kelly look in the film To Catch a Thief. I'm sure you saw it, and Grace Kelly is really one of my favorite Hollywood actresses, and the word Grace, I think, describes her in the best way. So I tried to do and recreate this outfit with the help of this dress from AV Bridal.
To curl my hair, I used, like always, my favorite foam rollers overnight, but actually you can use any comfortable way to curl your hair for this hairstyle. Just you need to follow the direction from the front to the back, and that's all, because actually waves will be brushed out, and the main idea and thing is just to give a volume for a hairstyle, and plus to make this front part of the hair. So first of all, I am brushing my hair with the fingers. In this step you can use the oil for your hair, and also starting to brush with a vintage brush. You can use any as well. After that, I'm separating the front part, which will actually, this main thing is a front part in this hairstyle for me, and starting to teasing my hair to make a volume, and I will be using in the future fake hair to more volume. If you have a lot of hair, you can skip this step, but for me it's always better to add extra, and for such huge hairstyle I definitely need it. As you see, I have this fake hair, which I'm fixing with bobby pins, and on it I will put all my hair and create that volume. So actually what I'm starting to do. Firstly, I will be fixing the upper part. Then I am fixing the bottom part, actually using just a simple French twist. I have a lot of tutorials of that, and fixing everything with the bobby pins. Now we will work with the front part first before we'll come back to the back. So I'm separate, like you see, I have these pieces of hair more short, that's why it's creating such a wave like a Grace have. Don't forget that actually in 1950s everyone had a special haircuts for these hairstyles that we see. So in nowadays we don't have them, and it's more difficult to create such hairstyle. So working with the front part using a duckbill clip and U-shape pin just to fix the hair in necessary position, and after I will cover everything with hairspray, I will remove pin. And after that, fixing their side parts at the back and adding a little bit of hairspray. Then working with the back part, actually, as you see, nothing serious there, just a volume French twist. In original, she had there like kind of a curls, but I don't have so much hair to do that. So problem, like if I wanted, I could use kind of strips of hair extra, you know, to create it, but I actually happy with this result as well. And now a time of a dress. Why I actually created this tutorial, because I received this, I saw this dress and I'm like, oh my god, it's like, look, this is that dress from that film, famous, super beautiful, and I'm really happy with it. I think the outfit and everything were recognizable for all Hollywood lovers. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Maybe you will try it, you will have like an option, and I will type a link on a dress in description of the video. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Don't forget to follow me.